What's going on, folks? This right here just got delivered to my door. Um, Obviously, if you read the title, you know what this is already. But I just want to talk about this thing real quick because it actually came out last year. And I'm just now getting a chance to take a look at it. By the way, it was a promotion to get free light bulbs with it too. So I got suckered into getting it. Anyway, so yeah, this is the Echo Dot that has a clock on it. I am intrigued in how they did this because it looks like it's really integrated in there, and so I've been wanting to get it for a long time. And since Amazon Prime Day is actually coming up, they're starting to do all these sales and stuff. So yeah, I picked one up. Let's take a look here. By the way, what are your thoughts on Amazon Prime Day, huh? Is it worth it? Is it worth it to wait? I followed up a lot of deals, so I feel like the pricing isn't as good, but it's pretty much a Black Friday kind of pricing. You know what I'm saying? But if you follow a lot of deals and stuff every single day, I don't think it's that major. Okay, so you know what? Actually, on the picture, I didn't realize that there were like buttons integrated into here. I just saw the clock. I didn't realize that there were buttons up here. Okay, well that makes sense right there. This feels like the JBL Bluetooth speakers that I've bought, where it's a mesh kind of finish up here, and then the buttons is actually integrated into the mesh. It's interesting. I think it do look very good. This doesn't look like it's pure white though, this color, by the way. If you're looking at it online and thinking that this is like a white color, it's really not. It's really not. It's more of like a gray color. Let me show you what a white color is. So here's the Apple MagSafe battery packs. So you see how the battery pack is white? This is more of a gray color right there. All right, let's see what else in the box here. Your standard 15-watt charger, the instruction booklets. I think that is it, guys. Okay, so now let's talk about how big or small this really is here. On picture, it's really hard to tell. So let me just get something and compare it. So for instance, you get your iPhone 14 Pro Max right here. That's the size of a iPhone 14 right there. If you look at this, it's about half the height, but in terms of how big it is, there we go. Looks a lot smaller in real life than it is in pictures. You can actually hold it on your hand. It's about the size. It's bigger than a baseball, that's for sure. Very interesting. Okay, let's take a look at the whole LED. They definitely have improved the light.
Your device is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
Hola, vamos a empezar. Instala la app de Alexa y sigue las instrucciones.
That
Bonjour.
looks
Votre
really
appareil est
good.
prêt pour la configuration. Téléchargez l'application Alexa et suivez les instructions.
Wow, as soon as I open it, it knows that there's a device around. The setup on this is so easy now. Look at this though. I want to show you guys. I mean, how did they even do it? That looks so good in there. How did they do that? Well, there you go.
Your
It's
Echo is ready.
connected. So there you have it, folks. That right there is the Echo with little LED lights in there. So look at that. It actually dims down. Oh, these lights up as well. So when you mute, it lights it up. This looks like it can light up as well. Yeah, so this does like dim down. I guess it's great at night so that it's not so bright. So there you go, guys. That's the Amazon Echo Dot with a clock right there. You really can't see the clock in my camera here, but it's there. It looks amazing. Yeah, I can't believe I'm just now getting this. This is beautiful. The verdict is that I would say the one thing that surprised me the most about this is how small it is compared to like the picture online. Anyway, that's it for me right there. I'm out. Bye-bye.